V6 Vortex engine.
I think they should look
It's
at one
going
more
in
time.
the GMC Jimmy that is right out front because that other one over there was riding on over 200,000 miles, and I ended up blowing a rod, right? So we're gonna take this other. That one over there is a 96. This is a 97, but they're both V6 Vortex and they're only a year apart. So this one, if it doesn't fit, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. All right, we got this little puny ass rope. We're gonna try to lift this motherfucker out of here with some rope. You know, we got the chain, but
And
we're
if
gonna
they
use
wreck
the
it, they
rope.
buy me a new truck.
No, because we told Cody that
We should make him sign a contract.
no, he knew coming over here that if something got fucked up, it was on him.
Nope.
So
Nope.
yeah, if we fuck up his truck, Cody, the best I can tell you is I'm sorry.
Nope.
It'll fucking work.
You think it'll work?
No.
Okay, what I was saying is it's higher off the ground here.
Yeah.
What we need is more slack, so you got to be up here. And then we're going to lift it up a little bit. He's going to pull out, and then we're going to need more slack to drop it closer to the ground.
That's right.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Why are you filming our fuck up? Fuck! Fuck!
Hot?
Hell yeah!
Lily, you think it'll work?
No. Not really. It's a
Are you
bad bumper.
excited to see it?
Yeah.
Danny, tell me when to pull up.
Where to go?
Go ahead, Ryan. Go ahead.
Oh my god.
What's going on?
Go ahead.
Oh fuck. He's not even gonna be able to go anywhere.
So what would you call that?
A failure.
Why would it snap? It's holding it now.
Yeah, but that's gonna
It
be,
might not hold it for long.
yeah, that's gonna be a
That
lot of
other end.
that's gonna be a lot of basically like shock to our body. It's gonna be shock to that because once he pulls off, it's gonna be
Yep.
and just suspended in the air, and then you're gonna have to hurry up, back up, and lower it.
Alright. I want somebody right there next to me to tell me when to back up.
Yeah,
Well, hell, I could probably just put in neutral and
yeah.
manipulate the brake. There's plenty of
All right, fuck it, let's try it.
Ow. You have to care for this nose.
So, would that penetrate the oil pan?
Possibly. Yeah, just turn it.
Get a nail. Get a hammer.
They're inside.
Yeah, y'all might want to move.
Alright, go that way now.
Shit.
Hold up. Wait.
Somebody needs to drop your car
Why?
to lower this so it doesn't just snap. Bah!
Okay,
The girl not making this shit.
we've got this car with this rope. That little pushy thing
What happens
with
if
this
it breaks the
engine.
tailgate?
Alright, it's in neutral.
Just don't hit me, please.
Alright. Go. Oh, you fucker! Just go.
It ain't going nowhere.
Hang on, Ron. There it goes, Cody, go. Go. Whoa. Damn, this bitch is suspended. Fuck. slowly. Slowly. Go, go. Alright, Ryan, start letting some slack in it. Go, forward.
I'm gonna break the photo.
Forward. Forward. Slower. Start letting some more slack. There you go. Oh, fuck. There it goes.
Woo!
Holy shit!
Danny, anything you want to say?
Thank you, God.